story to tell.
Born in 1964, Obiekt 775 is one of the oriented designs of a modern Soviet tank during the Cold War, with the ambition to create a tank that can fire missiles. Obiekt 775 is one of the rare tank development programs in the world that was classified as a rocket tank. The Soviet Union had ambitions that it would change the standard of tank design. The tank had an extremely low profile, with a crew of 2 which sat in an isolated compartment in the turret. The idea of creating a small, maneuverable, vehicle equipped with a powerful rocket weapons, with a large range of defeat fighter tanks was at that time very relevant for Soviet engineers. From the classic layout, it differed in that both crew members, mechanic driver and commander, he is a gunner operator, housed in a special, isolated cabin, located in the turret of the tank. During rotation of the turret, cab rotates along with it. The main armament was a 125mm rifled missile launcher, with a maximum range of 4 km for the Rubin anti-tank guided missiles, and 9 km for the Burr surface-to-surface missiles. It had a rate of fire of 4 to 5 rounds per minute for the Rubin, and 8 to 10 rounds per minute for the Burr. Both munitions were guided by an infrared beam. The Rubin anti-tank missiles were capable of penetrating 250mm of armor at 60 degrees at a range of 4 kilometers. The Obiekt 775 used the same engine and transmission from T-64 tank. The tank used 2 gas turbine engines instead of the diesel engine, providing the average speed of movement on solid soil to 70 km per hour. The capacity of fuel tanks allowed the car to pass without additional refueling more than 550 km. Tower missile tank was cast, flattened snout, with very low silhouette, making machine height amounted to 1,740mm. Hull machine was going to butt welding method, rolled armor sheet with thickness of a sheet of 30 to 120mm, that allowed, given the small size and small for this type of machine weight not more than 37 tons, make the armor protection of the machine is comparable with that of heavy tanks. In addition, to protect the crew from radiation in the event of the use of nuclear weapons, armor plates were covered inside a special compound based on plastics. Testing of the machine was carried out until 1965. However, the tank was never accepted, for a number of reasons. The crew had poor visibility over the battlefield, the overall complexity of the design, and the low reliability of the missile guidance system. The only surviving Obiekt 775 is currently in the exposition of the Tank Museum.